This will be the first video on PowerPoint. It's all about creating presentations. We'll look at the offline or desktop version of PowerPoint, then later on move on to the online version. First thing I need to do is to click down here and type in POW. Other things pop up, I'll keep typing ER for power, and there's PowerPoint there. Make sure you click on PowerPoint. In this case it's PowerPoint 2016. Your version may be slightly different. The first thing I see when I load up PowerPoint is the recent list on the left, and this is basically PowerPoints that have been opened up by myself at some point. On the right hand side are an area to make a blank presentation. I'll use some predefined sort of formats as well. I'll select the blank presentation just now. Now what you're looking at here is a very basic view. On the left hand side you can see there's a number 1. This represents the very first slide that we're using. Our presentation is made up of slides. And on the right hand side is a full screen view, or the bigger view of the presentation itself. So there's nothing really here. It does say to click in places to add titles and add subtitles. That's basically meaning add some text into it as well. First thing I'll do is we'll do some basic text here. When I click in this box, that happens. When I click away, that happens. So I'm inside this box here, and I'll push button my first presentation. Some basic text there, and then down where it says add subtitle, I've typed in my name, Matty Harkin, and I'll leave it like that. So that's some basic text typing. If you want to change the text, just click in it, use a keyboard, delete, add in whatever you want to do. Very straightforward in itself. Next thing I'll do is I want to see how to save this. Right now it says presentation 1 on PowerPoint, which means that's the default name. I want to save it as something else. I can click in the picture of this thing called a floppy disk. I can press Ctrl S, which is also save, or I can click where it says file, and there's an option that says save or save as. I'll select save because it's not been saved yet. It's asking whereabouts do I want to save this. If I hit browse, I can locate a place in the local machine. It's called this PC, and there's a place called documents, and that's where I can save this just like my first presentation. So I'll save that there, so it's saved locally on this computer. Next thing to do is to figure out how do you actually close the presentation. Select file, then select close, and the presentation closes. If you still have PowerPoint open, and I can close PowerPoint by clicking here in the far right hand side corner.